Hi y'all, I decided to do some holiday nails, so I hope you enjoy this video. Now I'm applying one of my favorite Gel X extensions. The brand is OPI. These are medium and they are stiletto. Now you have seen me apply my Gel X extensions many times, but if you want a full tutorial, please go back and check out my other videos. There is something special about these Gel X extensions. I mean, they are simple but gorgeous, easy to apply. It's not a lot of hassle going into applying these Gel X extensions. Now I am using the drill around my cuticle area because I did have a little bit of glue seep out underneath the Gel X extensions, so I want to clean that up. Now I'm going to use a little acetone to blend in my Gel X extensions. Again, these Gel X extensions are simply gorgeous. I mean, just beautiful. Now I'm applying this milky white polish because I wanted a sheer white for my nails. Now I'm gonna go in and just draw some red lines on my pinky and my index finger. Nothing too technical about it, just drawing some lines, and then on top of the lines I'm actually going to go back in with some gold lines before I apply my nail art. I'm using this gold pixie gel to apply the gold lines on top of my red lines for both my index and my pinky finger. After everything is cured, I'm going to apply a Teflon mat to my pinky and my index finger, because now I'm going to go in after the mat has cured and I'm going to use a black gel liner to outline the nail. And then once I finish outlining the nail and everything is cured, then I'm going to go back in with my gold dust and I'm going to apply some of the gold over the black so it can give me that gold outline. I'm going to apply my favorite top coat to my pinky and my index finger, and once they are applied, I'm going to stick my hand underneath my Appraise Nova lamp and let it cure for 60 seconds. Once it cured for 60 seconds, I have these beautiful burgundy ribbons that I want to apply to both my index and my pinky finger. I'm going to use the same polish that I used to paint the lines on my fingers for my ring finger. Now that the two fingernails have cured, I'm going to use this gold polish and I'm going to apply it to both the fingernails. I'm also going to take a brush just to move the glitter around so it does not get clumped up in one spot. Once I do that, I'm going to paint a clear top coat on top of it, and then I'm going to go in and file. I'm filing it because I do not want the glitter to look clumpy on my nail. Now that that is all done, I'm going to apply this sheer red polish on top of the nails with the glitter because I want the glitter just to peek through the red just a tiny bit. See, that's exactly what I want. It's perfect. It is gorgeous. I have to zoom you guys in so you can see. It just came out beautiful. What do you guys think? Did it come out nice? I think it came out beautiful. Just a little twinkle. Love it. Now I found this burgundy nail polish in my stash that kind of matches the ribbons. So I'm going to do the burgundy polish on my middle finger. And then once that cures, I'm going to mat that nail out. Now I'm applying my glow top coat to my nails that I've already completed, everything besides the middle finger. Now I'm going to use some matte polish to mat out my middle finger. Now all nail polish has been applied. Now for my middle finger, I have these gold crushed they look like little crushed rocks, but I want to apply them to the side of my middle finger. I think that with that being applied to that middle finger, I think that middle finger will stand out just a little bit. It'll be able to hold its own against all the other nails that we have created. Now I'm going to apply glue to the side of my middle finger on the side of that nail, and once I get the amount of glue that I want on there, then I'm going to take the same brush, just make sure a lot of the glue is off that brush, but I'm gonna take that same brush and I'm gonna dip the brush into those little crushed rocks. I know they call it something else, but that's what I'm gonna call them, crushed rocks. But I'm gonna dip that brush in there, and then I'm going to take the brush after everything is dipped on there and apply it to the gel. I'll be using a plastic Q-tip pusher just to move the rocks around the nails so I can get the desired look that I was looking for. My nails are all complete. I did enjoy this holiday set. It was really simple. It didn't take that much time. I think they came out really nice with the different effects for each nail, you know, with the bows, with the gold liner, the peekaboo glitter, the matte nail with the rocks is what I want to call on there. They came out fabulous. I plan to wear these for a little while, so I will let you know how they went, but I did enjoy it. This was a very simple set. This stuff is I already had in my little arsenal, in my little cabinets in my room, but this was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Take care.